The Tool and Verum shoulder planes are going to be really good for improving your joinery. The 92, the larger shoulder plane, is wide enough to do cheeks and also the shoulders of that kind of size tenon. On this halving joint we could do the cheek and certainly do the shoulder on here. When we've got a joint like this, which is a long and short shouldered tenon, your shoulder plane is really going to be able to sneak down on those fittings. Also, we can clean up and improve a rebate, so getting it nice and clean is going to be an ideal, probably for your larger shoulder plane. Also, this number 92 will be perfect for the end grain cut on this field to get this nice and clean. The number 91, the smaller plane, is going to be perfect for these little tiny shoulders and tenons, or also for trimming up the rebates on these little flush draw bottoms that will fit into this slip groove. Both of the shoulder planes are low angle and they're a bevel up. Also, the blades are the full width of the body, which means we can get right tight into the corners of those rebates and shoulders and tenons. We also have a moving mouth. So if we undo the top screw, we can literally open or close up the mouth of the plane as fine as you want to do in that fine joinery work before we snug that screw back up. For the blade, we can undo this screw here, and now the blade is loose. I can undo that completely and take that component out. If we look at the blade, get him out, flip him over and lift him out. This has been ground and sharpened 25 degrees. It sits with the grooves onto the adjuster, so we can adjust the plane blade in and out. Any lateral movement we can do at the top or the bottom. We're trying to get the plane blade so it's flush with the side. The plane blades are always made wider than the bodies, so you will flush up the plane blade to the one side or the other, depending whether you're doing a left or a right hand cut. Reassembly, pop the blade back in nice and carefully, bring him down to the bottom and reassemble him. To adjust the blade in and out, undo the lever screw just a little bit, and we can use the wheel at the back to put the blade out or back in again. Once you're happy, you can snug that screw back down again. For more details on the number 92 and 91, check us out on Woodworkers Workshop. For more involved videos or other joinery, low angle and bevel up planes, check us out on our YouTube channel and keep watching us on our social media.